Morning, mgtow. Did a video a couple of days ago with a girl saying that women will soon be able to impregnate themselves and men were going to be put into concentration camps. So figured I would check it out for myself, and this is what I found. It's from Irish Times. Could artificial sperm mean the end of men? By Jennifer O'Connell. Now the article says researchers reported they successfully created baby mice using artificial sperm. The scientists used embryonic stem cells, which are capable of being any type of tissue, to create immature sperm cells called spermatids. These were injected into mouse eggs, which fertilized and developed into healthy pups. The procedure is a long way off of being tested on human cells, but when that day comes, could it mean that the end of men becomes a biological possibility? Well, this is messed up on so many levels. First, they're using stem cells that they're getting from aborted babies. You know, every year there are nearly 750,000 abortions in America. It's big business. Now, second, bringing a human into this world with artificial sperm, it opens up a whole new discussion on ethics and morality. I mean, is it even really fully human? Or is it a new subspecies? We're miles away from using it in people. But if we have the ability to turn stem cells into sperm cells, yes, it would revolutionize the landscape. For same-sex couples, you could potentially have two females successfully fertilizing an egg without any male involved. Well, this makes a little more sense, but still weird. And that's not the only recent leap that could revolutionize how babies are made in the 21st century. In 2018, a group of researchers in Japan managed to turn human blood into stem cells, which they developed into immature human eggs. Well, these bitches forgot to mention this part, didn't they? Seems like we don't need women to have babies either. It's funny how shit works out. Well, this one here was from Euronews. It says, male infertility. These scientists are using 3D printing to create sperm in a lab. And at the bottom, scientists in Canada are using a 3D bioprinter to try and replicate the complex inner mechanism of human testicles and make sperm in a lab. Now, these guys are doing something that is actually a real benefit to men. They 3D print testicles and then inject stem cells from a man who's sterile. And the testicles make viable sperm, effectively giving every man on the planet the ability to spread his seed. Take that, bitches. Well, this is why we need help. There's been a 50% decline in male sperm count since the 1970s. We aren't fully able to discern why. It's probably related to industrialization, Western lifestyles, endocrine disruptors, and rising obesity. Now, this is exactly why we talk about exercise and diet being the key to happiness. You know, walking away from society also means giving up its evil pleasures and its vices. Anyway, I feel a lot better about the future of men. You know, of course, we've always had science on our side. And once we can build robots that'll carry these fetuses for 9 months, then maybe we can finally get one of these females to make a sandwich or something. But anyway, this is just my opinion. Hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you soon.